Yo, it just gave this to me for free. What is it? Wait, what's in here? Nothing good. Yo, what is this? Warpstone? Alright, so I have my friend in the server. Prop bundle. Alright, you ready? Alright, guys. Here comes the first one. Yeah, we get an emote too. Get 10. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Alright. Whoops. Oh no. Okay. Whoa! Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, so what do we get again? Oh yeah, so it gave this to me for free for some reason. Whatever. Okay, so what do you have next? Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, this is tough. Then we have it for the battle axe. Tough. Yo, this is all tough. Oh, I forgot we got a knife skin. Pencil. Yo, that's tough. Okay. Then this is my favorite skin out of the whole game. Pizza box. Yo. Okay, we got to see what these look like. Yo. Okay, so we have it on, I believe. Oh yeah, daggers.
Where'd you even go?
Knife. I'm right here. And satchel. Oh, that's tough. Look at that. Yo, I think I burnt my toast. Yo. Yo, knife? Yo, that's actually tough. Yo. Yo, look, it's a pizza! Yo. Let's see if I... Yo, that's actually tough. Yo, how is that? Yo. Okay, you want to come out to the lobby? I'm about to get some more stuff.
I'm at the lobby right now.
Okay, you ready? Come over next to me. Come over next to me.
Come here.
Okay, this is good.
I'm in shop right now.
Okay. Where are you?
Right
Okay,
here.
you ready? You ready? Watch this. Okay. So this one has the ballad song. Yep. Okay, here we go. Oh no. Alright, Kevin, you ready? Watch this.
What are you gonna get?
Yo. I swear, if I was not recording, I'm gonna crash out. Like, actually. Okay, thank God. Okay, you ready, guys? Yeah. Oh no. Alright, Kevin, you ready? Watch this. I'm gonna open up at one at a time. Skin case 3 1.
Let's see.
Please give me something good. Oh, okay, not bad, not bad.
Wrap it. At least it's a wrap.
No, it's
That's good. That's a good
skin. Okay, guys.
Go.
You ready? Please be good. Please be good. Bell song? Yes! That's not bad. That's not bad.
Banana flare. That's good. That's good.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Another one.
Let's see.
Please give me ball song.
Dream,
Okay.
Dream belts get
Yo, that's actually tough. That's actually so tough. I've been looking for one of those. Yes! Yo! That's actually so tough. Okay, what do we get for the flare gun? Banana flare. There we go. Hey, at least I have a skin for this now. Tough. Okay, so let's see, how much do we have in shop? I really want the ballad song. Okay, here we go. Another one bites the dust. Yo, I can. Not been charged. Okay, we got another one. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, please give me something good. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Masterpiece.
Yeah, not bad. Okay, we're about to check out my new skins. Okay. Okay, let's go check out these new skins now. Yo. What was it on? Riot Shield. Masterpiece. That's cool. Wait. I'm Sensei. What else did I get it on? Oh wait, it was just like, okay. Yo, okay, let's check out these new skins. Okay. Bow. Daggers. Yo, we got all skins. Yo. I hate how it turns off the crosshair when you do that now. I'm in the shooting range.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Yo. Oh gosh, dang it. Yo. Yo, look at my pizza box is burnt. Yo.
Wait, can I kill you in here?
Oh wait, I can turn that on. Hold on, you ready? I'll turn it on.
Turn that off.
Alright, you ready? Just watch this. Here. Where are you? I did my freaking thing wrong. Yo!
Wait, you could actually kill me in this?
Yeah?
Yeah, where you at?
Yo. Oh shoot. You got that thing? I hate that thing. Gosh dang it. I'm the knife god, bro. Gosh dang it. Bro. Yes!
So lucky.
Yo, gosh dang it. I messed up my satchel jump. Where are you? Yo, wait, hold on. Let's check out these new toasters. Tough. Yes, 40. Oh, shoot, I'm low. I gotta kill you with these toasters.
Is that daggers for
Yeah.
the toasters?
Well, now they look like a toaster. Oh, shoot. 40? Gosh dang it. Why'd you go the wrong way? What the heck? Yo, that was the wrong person. No! Okay.
I'm gonna twerk on you now.
No,
Dance
you're-
on your grave.
Yo, look at this. I have the glass wrap on here now. Let's go. No, how is that?
What?
Yeah, I'm kind of good with the knife.
See you there.
Yo, I actually... This is so cool that I have this now.
Holy. Oh,
Gosh dang
wow.
it. No, you actually got me. Hey, you want to see something funny? Wait, where are you? Oh, there you are. Yo, are you serious? Gosh dang it. No.
If you go backwards, I can do that.
Yo, come back.
What the heck happened?
Come back. You left. Alright, you're over there. Watch this.
Oh my god.
I'll stop. Yo, it's so cool that I actually have a pencil skin now. It's actually so tough.
Well, let me see.
Here, you ready? Look at it. See it? Yo, look at these skins now. Pretty cool.
Wait, so many
Toaster.
pencil skin?
Okay, now we have a pizza
Oh
box.
my god, how am I leaving? I'm not clicking the top thing.
Yo, it's actually so cool. Yo, there's no way that this hitbox is better. There's actually no way.
Oh,
Yo,
so I'm making,
wait, is this actually a better hitbox?
I'm clicking two duels.
Wait, come over here. Oh, wait, you want a 1v1? Okay. Where are you? Yo, 1v1. Yo, I'm gonna do with only my new skins now. Okay.
Bet.
So, let's check this out.
Are we doing knife only? Or just doing all weapons?
Well, you can use whatever you want, but I'm just gonna use all the ones that I literally just got. So, like, yo, like, it's
I'm
actually.
gonna cook you a knife now.
Yo, I forgot that I have that. Yo, this thing's. Yo. Yo, this is actually. Yes? Yo, wait a minute. Banana. Oh, gosh dang it.
I forgot that shoots bananas.
Yo, how is that? I'm dead. Yes.
Oh, you're so lucky.
Yay!
Because I ran out of ammo.
Okay, let's try new ones now. Bow again. I'll try daggers. Battle axe, that's cool. Satchel.
Oh
Yo,
my
what?
God.
Look at that. Hey, get over here. No! Bro. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna lock it.
Wait, so you're recording on the screen right now?
Yep, and I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Gosh dang it. Knife? Let's go. I was really hoping for Battle Song, but I do like the skin still. Gosh dang it. Yo, it's like... Yo, like... Yo. Yes.
Oh my god. That's so you did.
It's a pretty cool one, right? No.
I missed.
No, you actually got me. Bro. Yo, hold up. I want to see something cool. I believe it's this. How about this?
AR?
Yeah. Yo, what do you mean, bet? Oh, well, are you gonna try and go AR next round? I'm basically... Yo, let's check out this new skin. Gumball. Wasn't this like one of my first ones? I think it actually was. Oh shoot, I just fell.
Wait, do you have Sith or what's it called?
Yes, I have the Fist of Hurt.
You're gonna kill me. I'm ducking so I can't shoot.
Oh shoot, I'm probably dead. Yo. Yay. Oh wait, I forgot I got this. Yo, I forgot about that. Yo, guess what? Yo, hold on, don't kill me first. Come over here. Come over here. Just come over here. I'm not gonna kill you. Look at...
That's my grandma's car.
What? Yo, where did you go? Yo, my aim sucks right now. Oh shoot. Yo, like, you're trying to knife me. Where did you go? Yo, I'm just gonna like... Yo. Yo. Where are you? Yo, like, I can't hit my shots. Yo, watch this.
How are you flying?
I don't know, I just
Wait,
am.
what if you jump and do it?
I don't know.
What it like stops? You're still
Wait.
flying.
Okay, here we go. Yo, like, I can't move?
Oh my god, why does it do that? So cooked. Choo-choo.
Bro, what do you mean? Oh, shoot, I forgot. I have the Celestial on this. I just randomize it. Yo, come over here. Come over here. No, I miss. Yo, like, why am I doing it so early? What? Okay, let's... Yo, like...
Oh my god. No!
I'm actually kind of good with the knife now. Yo, wait, hold on. Let me... I forgot. I got something else. I got, like, a special... TV air... Wait. That's pretty cool, man. Random... Hold on. Favorite. Let's... I actually love this TV error one. It's actually so good. Cardboard. the air. Oh my gosh, I have so many skins here.
Oh my god. There's
What?
a guy with a lot of lane tricks on the board right now.
Yeah, I know. It's who is it? Yo, I think I'm gonna use like TV air. Yo, who is it? Oh yeah, it's Slingshot Boy. This guy. Yeah, that guy's really good. Yo, do you want to try sniper only on docks or something?
Crossroads.
Okay then, let's go Crossroads.
Crossroads.
I might be cooked.
How come I got cooked in, what's it called? Just that only? Or sniper only?
Yeah, sniper only. You can use movement items though.
Alright.
Yo, look at my pizza.
I'm gonna use, what's it called?
Yo.
Warhorn and daggers.
This pizza is so cool. Yo, where are you? Oh shoot,
Yeah?
bruh.
I'm
Oh my gosh.
coming!
Alright, just play this one round.
Yeah?
Yo. Yo, like what? Yo, I'm so cooked. Can't hit my shots today. Wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. You gotta go.
No.
Alright.
Chloe was just, saying that, if I was here or not.
Oh.
When my mom calls me, then I have to come home. I'm so
Yo, I'm actually so bad with
I'm good
sniper.
with sniper today.
I'm
I see
so
why you're bad at crossroads.
yeah, no, that's why I hate Crossroads because everybody snipes me here, and I can't hit my shots today. Like I usually always hit the shots.
Oh, I'm holding lag.
Gosh dang it!
Now you're hitting my
I'm so buns. I'm so buns. No. I'm so buns. 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 I'm dead. I'm actually so dead. See, I told you I'm buns. Yo, I gotta lock in. You know, it's like, no, how is that not a headshot? I hate this stupid sniper nerf.
I'm slow. Where you at?
I don't know. You're gonna try and knife me now? Yo, I accidentally switched to that. Because I just love that skin so much. No. Can't hit my shots today. How is that? What the heck? Bro. I'm actually so bad with sniper. Yo. What?
Oh my god.
What? How is that not a headshot? Bro, that's it. Rematch.